Hello guys, we are here again on tutorial for basic settings on Windows 10. So guys, we are going to look at the search button. Okay, so two ways to look for any setting, okay, on Windows 10. Any setting you are looking for. The first way is to just click on the start menu. On the start menu on your right side on the search bar, search for whatever you are looking, search for whatever. So let's say I want to search for what am I searching for? Windows security, or yeah, okay, let's say Windows firewall. Okay, so it just taking me to Windows firewall and advanced security. Let's say I'm looking for Bluetooth devices. Let me say I'm looking for yeah, Bluetooth. Yeah, you just show up Bluetooth and other devices. You click on it, it will take you to Bluetooth and other devices. Let's say I'm looking for update and security. So you check for update and security. That's it. So that is a check for update. It will just take you to where you are looking for. That is it. Straightforward. You are there. So that's one way to look for everything. Okay, another way, let's go back. Okay, another way to look for everything on the search bar or search menu, no, search bar, yeah, is to click on your start menu and go to settings. Then on settings, search everything you are looking on the search bar in the middle, on top, yeah, in the middle, yeah. So you just look for, so let's say we are looking for accounts. Your accounts, it will just take you there straightforward. Then you do what you want to do. Let's say you are looking for maybe date. Okay, date and time. Just click on it. You take you to date and time and make your changes. Okay guys, so that is it for you. Thank you. Okay.